mag migago en geno mara ni pod ikete mana e Ramogi TV. Jotelo mag kaunti ma Busia kwayo migepe mag NYS kod askeche mag sirikal mondo mi ochiw kony ne gedo mar ohinga e nam mar Kanyaboli manopore mapiyo muomo moketho eka mag puothe maromo 8,000 e gwenge mag Alego Usonga kod Budalangi. Gavana ma Busia Paul Otuoma, County Commissioner ma Kojolo ma Busia Kipchumba Ruto kod moko kuom jotelo ma Siaya nyoriwore machuo wangi e chal mar nam ma Kanyaboli maende ne pige omuomo nyaka e thidhia Mayala. Jotelo go koni gedo mar ohingano owinjore otim mapiyo mar geng'o midhiero ma jopur yudo kaluwore kod muomruok mar pi kowuok e nam Kanyaboli.
This is an engineering nightmare, and it must be remedied as quickly as possible because the downstream settlements, crops, animals are affected. Upstream, the lake is receding, and this is one of the most important and fundamental ecosystem within our republic.
There is a disaster that has come up. The Oxbow Lake here overflowed its banks and some of the dikes that had been put there earlier. And you can see it has cut there and created another very rapid river flow. And those who know how Oxbow lakes are formed, you understand when river changes course. So because of this problem that you are seeing, you can look at how that water, very big, and even the way the levels have gone down. It has created an environmental and human disaster downstream, both in Budalangi, where nearly 2 wards have been submerged underwater, schools. We need the National Youth Service and the military to respond to this disaster with immediate effect. So if those concerned can come and help us, and I'm sure reports have already been transmitted, so that we can mitigate together.
Lake Agrove has responded by bringing in machinery. We've had to hire trucks because we don't have sufficient equipment ourselves, and I'm very encouraged to hear that some support may be forthcoming from other areas. The technology, the system that we're using to repair this dike is exactly the same as we used in 2021 when those major breakages in the Yala dike occurred.